Hello students, today we are going to continue chapter number 9, Perimeter and Area of class 6th Mathematics. In this video, we will see how we can find out the area of rectangle. So, there is one formula given here in the box, that is area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Here the rectangle is drawn on the graph paper. This one is the length of the rectangle and this one is the breadth of the rectangle. So we just have to multiply both the quantities to find out the area of rectangle. Now area of square. Area of square equals to side into side. This is the formula of area of square. Now on the basis of these two formula, we will solve exercise number 9.3. Find the areas of the following rectangles. Length equals to 12 cm and breadth equals to 8 cm. We know the formula, that is area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So in the first question, here it is given length equals to 12 cm and breadth equals to 8 cm. So we just have to solve 12 into 8, that is 96 centimeter square. The quantity is centimeter and centimeter. Centimeter multiply centimeter, it will become centimeter square. So the answer will be 96 centimeter square. Now the second question, length it is given 18 centimeter and breadth equals to 10 centimeter. 18 tens are 180 and unit centimeter square. Now question number third, 25 centimeter is length and 11 centimeter is breadth. So 25 into 11, that is 275 centimeter square. Now in the same manner you have to solve these questions. Question number 2. Find the areas of the following square. First, side equals to 13 centimeter. Now, as we know, the formula of area is side into side for square. Area of square equals to side into side, or we can say side square. Now, here the quantity is given 13 centimeter. So 13 multiply 13, that is 169 centimeter square will be the area of square for the first question. Now 15 centimeter is given. So 15 multiply 15, that is 225 centimeter square. Now third question, 18 multiply 18, that is 324 centimeter square. Now in the same manner you have to solve other three questions. Now question number third, find the length of a rectangle which is 5 meter broad and has an area of 40 meter square. So let the length be x. So area equals to, here it is given for rectangle, so area of rectangle is length into breadth and area is given 40. So 40 equals to length into breadth. Now length is, we have to find out length. So in the place of length we will write L only, and in the place of breadth we will write 5. Now 40 by 5 equals to L. So the answer will be 8 in meter, because the quantity are in meter. That's why 8 meter is the answer. Now question number 4. Find the cost of painting a canvas 2 meter by 50 centimeter at the rate of rupees 2 per centimeter square. Now length of canvas is given in 2 meter and we know in 1 meter there is 100 centimeter. So in 200 meter there will be 200 centimeter. So this is the length and breadth is given, that is 50 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area first, that is length into breadth. Now 200 multiply 50, that will be 10,000. That will be 10,000 centimeter square. Now the cost of painting canvas will be equals to 2 rupees per centimeter square, means 2 into 10,000, that will be rupees 20,000. Now question number 5, from a rectangular chart paper of size 100 centimeter by 80 centimeter, 6 squares of side 20 centimeter were cut out. Find the area of remaining chart paper. We know the area of rectangle formula, that is length into breadth. That means 100 multiply 80, that is 8,000. Now we know the area of square formula, that is side into side, and here the side is given 20 centimeter. So 20 into 20, that will be equals to 400 centimeter square. Now total area of 6 such squares will be equals to 6 into 400, that will be equals to 2400. Now the remaining chart, the area of remaining chart will be 8,000 minus 2400, that will be equals to 5,600 centimeter square. Now question number 6, which has greater area, a square with 18 centimeter side or a rectangle with sides 20 centimeter and 16 centimeter? So first we will find out the area of square, and we know the area of square, that is 18 into 18, that will be 324 centimeter square. Now for area of rectangle, it is given 20 and 16, L into B, it means 320 meter square, centimeter square. Now 324 minus 320, this is the larger quantity, 4 meter square. So the area of square is greater by area of rectangle by 4 meter square. Now question number 7, a room has a floor area of 6 meter by 5 meter. A square carpet of side 4 meter is laid on it. How much of the floor area is not carpeted? So area of room is 30 meter square. Area of carpet laid equals to 4 square, that is 16. Now the area of floor that is not carpeted, that is 20 minus 16, that will be 4 meter square. Now question number 8, two rooms of floor size 5 meter by 3 meter and 6 meter by 5 meter were to be tiled with square tile of side 50 centimeter. How many tiles will be needed in all? So area of one floor equals to 5 into 3, it will be equals to 15 meter square. Now area of second floor will be 6 into 5, that is 30 meter square. Now the area of tile is 50 centimeter, it means 0.5 meter. So 0.5 multiply 0.5, that will be equals to 0.25 meter square. Now the total area of both the rooms is 30 plus 15, that will be equals to 45 meter square. Now let the number of tiles be x. So x will be equals to x multiply 0.25, this area of tile will be equals to 45, then 45 will be divided by 0.25, then we will get the answer, that is 180 tiles. Now question number 9, you have to solve in the same manner. Now question number 10, in the figure given below, two squares of side 8 meter and 5 meter are shown. Find the area of shaded portion. Now area of bigger square of side 8 meter equals to 8 square, that is 64 meter square. Now the smaller one 5 multiply 5, that is 25 meter square. Now the area of shaded part, that is 64 minus 25, that will be equals to 39 meter square. Now question number 11, find the area of the shaded portion if the area of triangle is given to be 18 meter square. Now area of rectangle 6 and 10 multiply 60 meter square. Now area of triangle equals to 18 meter square, this is given. Now you have to subtract them, that is 60 minus 18, that will be equals to 42 meter square. Now question number 12, find the area of the following figures by splitting them into rectangles. Now for the first, area of rectangle 1 equals to, this one will be equals to 5 multiplied 2, that will be 10 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle 2, this is the rectangle 2 whose sides are 4 and 4 by 3. So 4 multiplied 3, that will be equals to 12 centimeter square. Now the area of rectangle 3, this is the third part, that will be equals to 5 multiply 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5, and this one is 2. So 5 multiplied 2 equals to 10 centimeter square. So the total area of figure will be area of rectangle, that is 10 plus 12 plus 10. So that will be equals to 32 centimeter square. Now question number 2, you have to solve in the same manner. Question number 13. Find the area of the shaded portion. All the measurements are given in centimeter. Now the length of CS is this one, CS part will be equals to SA minus this AC. So we can find out this, the length of CS. So it is given 10, this is 10 and this is 1. So 10 minus 1, it is 9. Now the length of TS, here it is T and S. So how we can find out TS length? That is TR minus SR. TR minus SR. So 15 minus 2, 15 minus this 2, we will get the length of TS as 13. Now we can find out the area of rectangle BCST. BCST. So this is 9 and this is 13. So we can multiply 9 and 13. So the area of rectangle BCST, that is 117 centimeter square. Now the area of whole rectangle will be equals to 10 multiply 15. This 10 and this 15. That will be equals to 150 centimeter square. Now the area of shaded part. So we have to subtract the area of whole rectangle minus area of rectangle, this BCST, that is 150 minus 117 will be equals to 33 centimeter square. Here we have completed this exercise. Now in the next video we will start the next exercise. Till that you have to practice all these questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.